The United States and Europe believe Iran has transferred close-range ballistic missiles to Russia for the first time. Tehran may value the unprecedented military partnership it forged with Russia in 2022 more than repairing relations with Europe. Iran has denied transferring missiles. Despite overwhelming evidence to the contrary, Tehran maintains it hasn't transferred any loitering munitions, single-use explosive drones, to Moscow since the current Ukraine war began. Iran is in the position where it can benefit more from a deepening security relationship with Russia than from adhering to sanctions threats from Europe and the United States. Nicholas Heras, Senior Director of Strategy and Innovation at the New Lines Institute, told TNA. Iran is deepening cooperation with Russia across several security sectors, including weapons transfers, intelligence sharing, and coordination in the Middle East, Heras added. Russia also is a potential source of advanced weaponry that could benefit Iran, especially the Su-35, but also in the cyber and espionage fields. Iran expects to receive Russian Su-35 flanker fighter jets to upgrade its air force. While it did receive Yak-130 trainers in September 2023, there still aren't any signs Russia has delivered the twin-engine flankers. The Guardian reported on the 14th of September about American and British concerns that Russia may be sharing nuclear secrets with Iran in exchange for the missiles. At the same time, Iran has shown reluctance to transfer ballistic missiles exceeding a certain range. When reports first emerged that Russia sought Iranian ballistic missiles in 2022, Tehran was reportedly hesitant to transfer ballistic missiles exceeding the Multilateral Missile Technology Control Regime's recommended limit of 186 miles, especially before UN restrictions on its missile and drone exports expired in October 2023. In early August, Reuters exclusively reported on Russian military personnel receiving training on the Fath-360 in Iran. The news agency previously cited sources in February claiming Iran supplied Russia with 400 Fateh-110 short-range ballistic missiles but was told by European intelligence sources that there was no indication such a delivery had indeed taken place. The Fateh-110 family of missiles have ranges between 186 and 435 miles, while the close-range Fath-360s has an estimated 75-mile range, putting the latter well within the MTCR's limitations. Delivery of Fath-360s might very well mean that Iran is careful about violating certain limits, not just on procedural grounds but as a broader political diplomatic note of caution, Azizi said. A timely provision of short-range munitions like the Fath-360 could enable Russia to reserve its existing stockpiles of short-range ballistic missiles. All of these transfers are going to be commensurate with the state of the Russo-Iranian security partnership, meaning the Iranians will be cautious against providing their more advanced systems until Russia increases the scope and quality of its weapons systems transfers to Iran, Heras said. In another twist that may give insight into Iran's intentions, Tehran reportedly did not deliver the mobile launchers with the Fath-360s, according to unnamed European and American officials cited by Reuters on the 21st of September. Two experts cited in that report speculated Russia may want to modify existing trucks for its new Iranian missiles. On the other hand, they suggested Iran might have decided to intentionally withhold delivering the launchers for now to allow space for new talks with Western powers on easing tensions. It's not clear what specifically is in Iran for this deal, and there hasn't been much corroboration on the Guardian's story about nuclear secrets being received in return, Azizi said. But the IRGC and the broader Iranian military value their ties with Russia immensely and see it as a particular point of pride that a superpower like Russia now relies on Iran for military help, he added.